Guys, check this out. On this video, I want to show you how you can make over $2,000 with Digistore24 affiliate marketing and what I do to make hundreds of thousands of dollars with these affiliate marketing platforms using nothing but 100% free traffic and websites that get tens of millions of visitors with tier 1 traffic. This is high quality traffic, and this website is going to allow you to come over here and post in whatever niche that you want. You can promote merch if you wanted to. On this website, you're going to find people that are promoting software. You're also going to find people that are promoting CPA, affiliate marketing products, and most importantly, I'm going to show you how you can post Digistore24 affiliate marketing products absolutely for free. You don't need a following to start this. You don't need a website, and you don't need a lot of skills. I'm going to show you everything step by step. All you need to do is watch this entire video and take action straight after it. Let's get into it. So before you can start to make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing, you first need to come over to Digistore24 and create an account for yourself so that you can start to promote these different types of affiliate products. And with Digistore24, you can see that you can earn as much as 70% commissions. They have over 8,000 different products in 44 different niches, and the best part about this website is you can do this with any one of these niches. So what you want to do is come over to Digistore24 and register for a free account. Once you've done that, it's going to bring you over to their back office. You want to make sure that you come over to their marketplace, and on the left-hand side over here under digital products, when you scroll down, you're going to be able to find a whole heap of these different types of categories. You could potentially do this with business and investment. When you scroll down, you can see that you've got dating and relationships. As you scroll down further, you've got fitness and health. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using internet marketing and e-business. Once you click onto that, what you're going to see is a whole range of products that you can start promoting, and it's going to show you over here how much you can earn in terms of commissions. Products like this can make you as much as $237 a sale. As you scroll down, here is another one over here for $26. And as we come over here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for a product that we can promote that's going to make us some really good money online. So what you want to do is scroll up to the top, and if you come over here, you can search by earnings and sale. Once you do that, you can scroll down and you're going to find products that you can earn really good money on. For example, like this one over here called 7-Figure Mastery. And what this means is that you're going to make as much as $52.89 per sale. This is an affiliate marketing product. There's a lot of people that are looking for side hustles. They're looking to work from home. They're looking to supplement an income. This product over here is going to teach them all this. It's going to tell them what affiliate marketing is, what is high ticket. As you scroll down, you're going to see that they're going to teach people how to work with Google AdWords, Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, Pinterest, how to do solo ads, etc. So this product is perfect. It's an all-in-one product that has a lot of value for people to use. So what you want to do, as you can see, you want to take a look at this product. And in order to do that, all you want to do is quite simply click onto this little extension over here. As you do that, it's going to bring you over to the sales page of this product. You can take a look at this product, make sure that you're happy to promote it. And as you scroll down, you're also going to see that it does have a 60-day money back guarantee, which is crucial. If people aren't happy with this, they've got plenty of time to return this product and get all their money back. But it also shows you that this product is a little bit more credible because they're giving you 60 days to trial it. If you don't make any money, you can just return it. So what we want to do from here when we find a product is if you click onto this URL, which is your affiliate ID, which is what you're going to be using to promote this product. When you click onto it, this is going to be copied to your clipboard, and this is what we want to do to promote this. Now, in order for us to get free traffic, now what we need to do is we need to find how we're going to get this traffic, and I'm going to show you the website that you're going to be using, and it's absolutely amazing. But before I do that, all I ask that you do is that you smash that like button, go down the bottom and make sure you subscribe to the channel with the bell notification on so you can find all the awesome content that I've got coming your way over the next few weeks. And on top of that, as you guys know, I do have my brand new giveaway. I just gave away $500 to 5 lucky people. We got $100 each. We're upping the ante. We're doing $1,000 in November, and 10 lucky winners are going to get $100 each. If you want to sign up to this giveaway, go down the bottom, click onto that link in my description, and in appreciation, make sure that you smash that like button if you end up enjoying this video, and let me know in the comments, Do you want to see more Digistore24 tutorials, or do you want to see more ClickBank tutorials? Let me know so I know what content to start creating for you. Now what you want to do is you want to come over to this website over here called gab.com. Gab is another social media platform where people come over here and they post a whole range of different type of content. The good thing about Gab is that you need to create a group for yourself, and you're going to be building a following. When you scroll down here, you're going to see all these people that are posting on Gab. They have a lot of followers. Now you can put up posts, you can create a group. I highly recommend that you create a group, and people are also running ads on Gab as well. Like as you can see here, this is a sponsored post of somebody promoting their merch. Why? Because this site gets over 10 million visitors every single month from tier 1 countries. So the traffic is amazing. On top of that, like I told you, people are coming over here and they're promoting software. They're coming over here and they're promoting CPA affiliate marketing offers. Look at this. This was 1 day ago. If you take a look at this, this was 21 hours ago. People are also promoting Digistore24 products. This was 1 day ago. So this is happening right now, and it is relative. So what you want to do when you're on this platform is you want to create a group for yourself. So if you come over here on the left hand side, you want to click onto groups. And once you click onto groups, what you want to do from here is you can see here, if you click onto featured groups, you're going to find all these different groups that are already on Gab. And you can see here that people have tens of thousands of members. It's not like they only have a few hundred members. And if you're very active with this in any niche, there's no reason why you can't create a huge following. So for example, if you wanted to do something with affiliate marketing, all you'll do is come over here and type affiliate marketing. Now, once you do that, all you need to do is hit enter. And what you're going to find is a whole heap of different groups. Now, all you need to do is make sure that you're on groups. And then what you're going to see is groups like this that have over 1,700 members on here. And people are posting a whole range of different content. If you are the owner of this group, you can continuously drop different types of reviews on products. I'm going to show you how to do that without doing any of the work yourself, and absolutely crush it with all the people that are in your group. And you can be making some really good money with Digistore in particular and affiliate marketing. So what you want to do from here is you want to create your own group. So quite simply, you want to click onto home, come over here, click onto groups. Now from here, what you want to do is click onto this little plus symbol. Once you click onto that, this is how you're going to create your group. So you're going to come over here and you're going to create a name for this group. Then what you're going to do is come up with a description. I'll show you what mine looks like. It can be very, very simple. It could be something as simple as, I'm here to help you learn how to make money online through various products, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, YouTube, whatever it might be. Scroll down, come over here guys, and choose a category, okay, that your niche is in. Then you want to put some tags in here. You know, if it's in affiliate marketing, obviously you can use entrepreneur, work from home, online business, affiliate marketing, make money online, etc. Then you want to put in a cover image. You can use your face, or you can find something online and post it in there. Create a password for yourself. And then what you want to do is you want to click on to create group. This is going to create your group, so then you can start putting up content. Now, let me show you what my group looks like. So if I come over to my Smart Money Tactics group, you can see that I've got 36 followers. Now, at the moment, I've deleted a lot of my posts that I've put in here because I like to keep it relevant. And I'll come over here and I refresh these different types of offers. So what I'm going to do is show you now exactly how you can put this up. So what you want to do when you're on Gab is you want to scroll down here. You see this little pen icon? You're going to click onto that, and this is where you're going to put up your post. Now, in order to create this post, all you need to do is find a review on this product called 7-Figure Mastery. And in order to do that, you just want to come over to Google, type in 7-Figure Mastery review, and you're going to find a whole range of different types of reviews, people that have written about this product. You want to click onto it. Now, just a word of warning, whatever you do, do not straight copy this entire article. You can get into trouble from Gab, you can get your posts removed, and it's just not worth it. What I recommend that you do is that you rewrite this yourself, and I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can do it. Number one, you can do it yourself, or number two is you can use software that can rewrite a lot of this stuff for you. As an example, let's just take this first sentence over here, copy this. You can come over to platforms like Quiltbot. There are other ones that you can look for alternatives. Click onto Quiltbot over here. If you paste this inside here, let's just paste this up here, okay? what you can do from here, guys, is quite simply click onto paraphrase. As you click onto paraphrase, this is going to rewrite this and it's going to rejumble everything so you don't get hit with any sort of copyright. You can copy this, and then what you want to do is come straight over to Gab and you can paste this inside here. Now you're not going to get into any sort of trouble. Highly recommend that you use these reviews as inspiration and then rewrite it all yourself. Some of these products are going to have really good affiliate resources, and they can potentially also have email swipes and stuff where you can get a lot of this information yourself, so you don't ever need to use Quiltbot. Now what you want to do is you want to come back over to this platform, over to this site, and then you want to rewrite a lot of this stuff. I'm just going to copy this just to show you how to import your affiliate link and how to post this. So from here, guys, what you want to do is quite simply grab a lot of this stuff. So I'm just going to copy it up to here. You would come over here, guys, and you would grab as much as you needed to. Then what you want to do is quite simply paste this inside here. Now what we want to do is we want to add our call to action, okay? So quite simply, throughout this article, what we're going to do is we're going to put in our URL, our link, so people can click onto it. When they purchase, we're going to make money with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to write up a very quick call to action and show you how to embed this link. All right, guys, so all you need to do is write something up like this. If you are a beginner and you want to learn how to make 7 figures with affiliate marketing, click here to get access to 7-figure mastery. From here, you want to come straight back over to Digistore24. You want to copy that link. You want to come straight back over to Gab, guys, and you want to paste this inside there. You can see here that you can straight link your Digistore24 link onto this platform. This is what I absolutely love about it. You want to shorten it? No problem. You can use Bitly, you can use Linktree, you can use Tiny URL, you can add multiple products on Linktree, and you can put this in here. It's completely up to you. If you're enjoying this video up until this point and you appreciate this content, don't forget to smash that like button. It means the world to me, and it means that I know that you guys are enjoying this video. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. Let's get it out there so more people have an opportunity to make money with affiliate marketing. So as you can see here, guys, this has now been posted on there. What you want to do is you can copy this, and you may want to put this a couple of times throughout this article. If you can see that this goes great, it means you've got too much text and you need to delete some text, okay? So you can come over here and paste this, Command V. We've got this in here a couple of times. Now all you need to do is hit post. So you come over here, hit post. Now what's going to happen, as you can see, I've got one Gab. Sometimes it'll take a couple of seconds to add on there. I'm going to refresh this to show you that this has worked. So take a look at this, Smart Money Tactics, and then you can see this is a review of the 7-figure mastery program. As you scroll down, guys, there is my Digistore24 link. If we click onto that link, it's going to take us straight over to this product. If anybody purchases, I'm going to make as much as $52 every single time someone signs up. All you need to do now is come straight over to platforms like Digistore24, ClickBank, etc. Find all these different products, find different types of reviews on these products, and start putting them up onto Gab. You're going to get followers, you're going to get views, and you're going to get clicks, and you're going to make money with affiliate marketing. The rest is up to you. You just need to take action, and you're going to see the affiliate marketing commissions roll in. Now, don't go anywhere, guys. Before you leave, I want to let you know that if you didn't know, you can actually promote LinkedIn Learning on LinkedIn, which is why I made a tutorial the other day. You need to watch this. You can absolutely start this for free and make a lot of money online with affiliate marketing and LinkedIn. Highly recommend that you watch this video right now. Until next time, you guys take care of yourselves and goodbye.